Hey guys, so I just got back, well not just, I recently came back from my grandma's house about half an hour ago. Had 2 slices of watermelon because it's a lovely day today, and I came home and got dressed because I packed this skirt and this top for the next day because I didn't know what the weather was going to be, so I packed also a long sleeve top and some blue jeans, and they are not in there. The only thing I think that was in there, nearly dropped the camera then, are my blue jeans, and that doesn't make sense. I think and my pink top, but I want my New York top because it is a lovely sunny day, and I also want my skirt. So that is so annoying. So I've literally had to put on my dungarees again, my skirt ones, which are now in the wash, because that's like twice in a row, but that's alright because I wasn't doing much today. I just went to Debenhams and then went shopping for a bit. You know, bought something for my grandma to give me for my birthday. So it was actually really quite a nice day today. But I've got like 3 things I think which are quite nice, like 2 t-shirts and one like little play suit. But it's quite cute. I might like after my birthday do like a little video of what I got for my birthday, because I see that a lot on YouTube and I just feel like I need to do it. So yeah, I've got dressed now. We're going camping on Sunday. Oh, I've got hiccups. I've had them all the way home. I think I've had them all day nearly. Yeah, but we're going camping on Sunday, so I'm so excited. But I'm now I don't know what to do. Should I pack today, or should I pack tomorrow all day? But the thing is, I can't pack all day tomorrow because of the big barbecue at my cousin's house. But if I pack today, I don't have all day. So should I start today and carry on tomorrow? I really don't know, and I think I'm gonna wait because I think I might get someone to help me, like my mum, because you know they're always like, oh, just add this in your bag and this, oh, and that might be helpful. So I just go with her. But I don't take ugly clothes. And in my wardrobe, I don't think I have that many ugly clothes, so it's good. Oh, look, it's my little signing t-shirt that I'm not getting rid of. Good luck. If you want me to get rid of this, good luck. It's got so many signs on. Well, it's got a few. They're mostly on the back, which is really annoying because I wanted them mostly on the front, but look at them all on the back and everything. They're even on my collar. But yeah, I've got a few long sleeves, and they're all in order though. I've got like long sleeves, then short sleeves, then skirts. It's crazy, I know. My bed's a bit of a mess. I need to unpack for my grandma's though. That's what I need to do. And then my dad doesn't know what to cook. Oh God, it's so annoying. Yeah, my dad doesn't know what to cook for tea. So, and I need to get update with my uploading. I said that I think, I either said to you guys or I said to I can't talk and I've got these annoying guys. Or I said to Jennifer or someone that I would try and how do you get rid of hiccups? Comment down below your way of getting rid of hiccups because I want to get rid of these hiccups. Yeah, I said to Jennifer that I would try and film and upload every day, and I haven't excuse my hand a bit then. I haven't like uploaded in about a day. It's been a day, but before yesterday's video I hadn't uploaded in like a week, so I was a bit behind schedule. My hair is going really fat and I don't like it. Fat. I meant to say fat, not fat. Thick. I don't even know anymore. Yeah, my hair's going to be fat. But fat. So yeah, and that didn't go very well because I said that I would try and upload every day or every other day because it's the summer holiday and I'll have a lot of free time. Free time. But actually, I didn't realise how much I'm doing in the summer holiday. Guys, we're going to Chessington too. I'm sure I've told some of you, but yeah, I'm so excited. We're actually going to Chessington. Yeah, me, mum, dad, sister. When my mum's on holiday, yeah, so that's about another 2 weeks. Let's get off quick. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm probably not going to vlog there because it's just going to be a nice family day out. But I might vlog before I go, or just make a video, quick video, seconds before I go or after, and be like, this is what I'm taking, or this is what I'm wearing. You know, I'm so excited. I'm just checking to what time I woke up, what I'm doing, and that'll be like it. Not all of them, 1 or 2 of them. So yeah, I'm just quite excited because we're having a very busy holiday. We're going camping a lot though as well. This isn't our only camping trip. We've got quite a few. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below how you get rid of these hiccups. I want to know, and I'm going to try them out sometime. Okay? Thank you guys. See you in a bit. Bye.